The Smeg gas hobs are not only a statement piece in the kitchen, but are also built with the highest quality materials. Features of the hob include solid cast iron pan supports designed for durability. One solid pressed piece of stainless steel or enamel without any screws or bolts for food, debris and grease to get trapped make it easy to clean and more hygienic in the kitchen. Island-shaped burners ensure that any liquid spilling onto the hob stays away from the working parts of the gas hob. Some hobs have segregated sections within the hob top. Should any spillage occur, these sections prevent the liquid from moving across the surface, keeping it contained for an easier clean. Solid metal dials on the gas hob ensure longevity, whilst being removable for easy cleaning. Complete with LPG conversion kits as standard, the hobs can also be connected to bottled gas or to mains gas supply. For more information on the types of gas hobs available, please click on the link in the description.